We decided to take the Lexus Eco Challenge because we know that young people can do a lot to form their community and to influence other people. We decided on a rain garden because we're an urban site and we have a lot of water runoff, and we wanted to do something to keep the water out of the sewer system and out of the river. So our rain garden is designed to do that. Our Eco Challenge then was to build a rain garden and tell the world about it, and maybe promote other people to build a rain garden as well to take care of their water problems. Two people on our Riders of the Storm team will explain more about the rain garden.
What we did to start the rain garden is we had an infiltration test, which is you dig a hole in the ground, a foot deep and so many inches wide, and you fill it with water and see how long it takes the water to drain out of the hole, and that is in 24 hours, and that is how deep you should build your rain garden and fill it with dirt.
Next, we had some help from Social Landscaping, who helped us dig our hole, and we then spent a Saturday filling it with 3 parts compost and 1 part dirt.
And then we planted with the plants and added rocks to make our garden beautiful.
And then we covered it with mulch, and then we created a border with rocks to prevent extreme flooding in case of monsoon type rains.
Now, to design your rain garden, you want to put it on at the bottom of a slope or at the bottom of like a roof or something, so the actual water and drainage can drain into your rain garden. And then what we liked about this spot right here is the sewer we're standing over. So if it overflows too much, the sewer can actually soak up the extra water, so our plants won't die.
The rain garden is really important because it helps deposit the runoff water that we get from torrential rains that happen in Ohio back into the water table instead of just overflowing in our water treatment plant.